GoHighLevel versus ClickFunnels 2.0. Which one is better? By the end of this video, you'll have an answer. Both GoHighLevel and ClickFunnels 2.0 are power players in the online sales and marketing platform industry. But which one is best for the features that you use every day? What about special features that could give one platform an edge over the other one? In the next 10 minutes, we'll find out which platform is better for your business. Before we get started, let's address something we've all seen. Those so-called comparison videos that claim they're unbiased, but they only push one product. This video is actually unbiased because I use both platforms, so it doesn't matter to me which one you choose. But to help you decide, I've put affiliate links for both platforms down in the description. Full disclosure, as an affiliate for both platforms, the channel would earn a small commission from ClickFunnels and/or GoHighLevel at absolutely no cost to you. So you can try out either one or both for yourself. You'll get immediate access to the platform of your choice with a 14-day free trial. Now that's a win-win. Alright, let's start with a quick overview of what these two platforms actually are and what they're designed to do. First up, GoHighLevel, or just HighLevel. It's an all-in-one sales and marketing platform that wants to streamline the way you generate leads, build sales funnels, and manage customer relationships. Next, there's ClickFunnels 2.0. ClickFunnels 2.0 focuses on creating high-converting sales funnels quickly and easily, with a big emphasis on speed and simplicity. In short, HighLevel is for anyone who wants a complete online sales and marketing solution in one platform. ClickFunnels 2.0 is for anyone who wants to build, test, and optimize proven sales funnels fast without a huge learning curve. Which one is actually better for your specific needs so far? And while what you're paying for matters, you're first going to need to know how much you're paying for each product. So we're going to cover pricing next to help you understand the numbers that matter. When choosing the right platform, it's important to know how much each one costs. Both HighLevel and ClickFunnels 2.0 offer tiered pricing, catering to different business needs. Let's start with HighLevel. HighLevel has 3 tiers. The starter plan. At $97 per month, this plan offers things like a CRM, a landing page builder, and it allows up to 3 sub-accounts. A sub-account is where you keep information that's unique to each customer you work with. The unlimited plan. At $297 a month, the unlimited plan has everything in the starter plan, plus unlimited sub-accounts, basic API access, and a branded desktop app. The SaaS Pro plan. At $497 a month, this plan has everything from the unlimited plan and includes SaaS mode to offer HighLevel as a white label service, enables rebilling to set your own markup, and full API access. Now, let's cover ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels 2.0 has 2 tiers. The startup plan. At $97 a month, this plan offers unlimited funnels, courses, contacts, pages, and domains. This plan includes 3 brand workspaces and 3 team members. The Pro plan. At $297 a month, this plan expands on the startup plan by offering 10 brand workspaces and 10 team members. And what if you don't want a monthly fee and would rather pay only once a year? Both platforms have you covered. For annual discounts, HighLevel offers a 20% discount on its annual plans, while ClickFunnels 2.0 offers about a 16.5% discount on its annual plans. Both of these platforms are great, but neither one does everything. So be aware of add-on charges to integrate with other services. For GoHighLevel, services like WordPress hosting, WhatsApp integration, and branded mobile apps may incur extra fees. For ClickFunnels 2.0, features such as email sending and video hosting may cost extra depending on your usage. To sum this up, both platforms offer competitive pricing with scalable options to fit your various business needs. Now that you know how much you'll be paying for each platform, the next question you're probably wondering is, how well does each platform perform with the features that I care about? We'll answer that next as we dive into the core features of each platform. Okay, let's check out some of the core features you'd actually be using on a regular basis. Because when it comes down to it, platforms can have a million bells and whistles, but if it doesn't deliver on the basics, it's not worth your time or your money. HighLevel offers a suite of core features. Sales funnels. You can build customizable funnels that guide your prospects step by step through the buying process, from landing pages to checkouts, and follow-ups. CRM. You can manage your contacts, leads, and customers all in one place, with pipelines to track where each opportunity is in the sales cycle. Automated follow-ups. You can set up email and text automations to nurture leads, remind customers about appointments, or re-engage past clients. Forms and surveys. These can allow you to capture valuable customer information through built-in forms and surveys to personalize your marketing. ClickFunnels 2.0, on the other hand, brings its own set of core strengths. Sales funnels. You can easily create high-converting sales funnels, even if you're not a tech wizard. CRM. You can organize your contacts, segment your audience, and keep track of your leads with a simple but effective CRM. Email marketing. It's not as advanced as dedicated email platforms, but you can send out basic automated emails to stay in touch with your leads and customers. Membership sites and courses. You can quickly build membership areas or courses for customers to access, all within your funnel flow. Ease of use is another big factor. GoHighLevel offers lots of tools under one roof, which saves both time and money. But the interface can take some time to learn, especially for beginners. ClickFunnels 2.0 is well known for its clean and straightforward funnels design. This makes it easy for entrepreneurs and small teams to hit the ground running. Both platforms also offer drag and drop editors and templates to get started quickly. Each product has its own strengths, and both platforms are checking the boxes on a lot of the basic features you'd be using every day. But what about advanced features? That's coming up next. Let's check those out. Now it's time to cover some features that can set these platforms apart and could give your business an edge over your competition. HighLevel has features that make it unique in the online sales and marketing space. White labeling. You can completely rebrand the platform as your own, offering it to your clients as a service. This is huge for agencies that want to provide their own branded marketing solution without building software from scratch. Native SMS and phone integration. You can integrate text messaging and phone calls directly into your marketing workflows. ClickFunnels 2.0 has its own unique features. E-commerce features. ClickFunnels allows you to sell physical products and manage checkout processes directly from your funnels. Simplified user experience. ClickFunnels often receives praise for its polished, beginner-friendly interface, so entrepreneurs and small businesses can get started quickly. These are only a few standout features that distinguish one platform from the other, so your choice here really comes down to what's most important for your business. Now, let's wrap things up with a quick summary. Here's the bottom line. HighLevel offers all-in-one marketing, solid CRM tools, and advanced features like product white labeling. It's perfect for agencies and businesses serving multiple clients. ClickFunnels 2.0 focuses on fast, high-converting sales funnels, membership sites, and a solid suite of e-commerce tools. This makes it ideal for entrepreneurs and small businesses who want to get up and running quickly. Both platforms start at $97 a month, offer a 14-day free trial, and scale up at higher tiers for bigger teams, and offer advanced features. Both platforms deliver serious value, so it's best to know your own business goals and objectives so you can choose the platform whose features best align with your needs. If this video has helped you in figuring out which platform is better for you, please consider using the affiliate links in the description below to try out either platform. You'll get that 14-day free trial, and it helps to support the channel at no cost to you. Also, if you like this review, please consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to see more content like this, and letting us know in the comments which platform you're thinking of going with.